Encountered an RN file from academic writing or scholarly research workflows? This is an XPL program file from Nota Bene, a specialized academic word processor. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you understand these Nota Bene XPL program files. Get ready for the finale. The power of this solution comes from the deep RN file analysis, provided by one specific inspection tool that is truly universal in its application. RN files are XPL extended programming language files used by Nota Bene, a word processor designed for scholars, researchers, and academic writers. They contain custom macros automation scripts or program logic that extends Nota Bene functionality for specialized academic writing tasks like footnote management and citation handling. RN files use Nota Bene's XPL language syntax storing program code as plain text with command structures, variables, and procedures specific to the Nota Bene application environment. The format defines automation routines integrating with Nota Bene's text processing engine for advanced document manipulation tasks. The RN extension has a direct link to the Nota Bene application by Nota Bene. The archive's size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows provides limited visibility into these files, so meaningful access depends on supporting tools. We're testing the file structure now. Right-click the RN file and choose Open With. If Nota Bene is installed, start there. If not, select another application. Different apps handle edge cases uniquely. If you still cannot open your RN file, that is okay. Dealing with a truly persistent RN file? Let's execute these quick diagnostic tests on the most likely points of failure. First, opening a Nota Bene. Install Nota Bene from the Nota Bene website. Launch the application and load the RN file through the program execution mechanism in Nota Bene. The XPL program runs within Nota Bene, executing its automation tasks against the current document or document collection, as defined by the program logic. Next, editing XPL code. Open RN files in any text editor since XPL is text-based. Use Notepad++, Visual Studio Code, or even Notepad to view and edit the XPL program code. Reference Nota Bene's XPL programming documentation for command syntax, variable usage, and best practices when modifying or creating new XPL programs. Finally, running and testing. Within Nota Bene, execute the RN file through the program runner interface. Test programs on sample documents before running on important academic works, as XPL programs can make extensive changes to document content. Save document backups before executing complex XPL programs that modify text or formatting. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.